So this week I'm doing all my beauty maintenance kind of tasks like waxing, doing my nails. I have all my appointments booked like our spray tan, lip filler, you name it. Okay, all the things that I kind of do every month or so to maintain the gorgeousness that is Sylvia. And these things just make me feel like I'm taking care of myself and make me feel good. Shout out to Glaze for partnering with us today. We're gonna be using the Glaze Super Gloss and do a little hair treatment, make my hair nice and shiny and luscious. I'll show you guys how I use it. But before we do that, I'm gonna clean up a little bit, kind of wind down for the night, and then we'll head upstairs and get started. Ta-da! Okay, let's get to grooming. First up, waxing. The wax I've been using for years is the Persian cold wax. It's for sensitive skin. It's easily washable afterwards, so you're not sticky forever. I've tried a lot of waxes that have been too strong where they're ripping off my actual skin, or they're not strong enough where they're not grabbing onto hair. So it's definitely my go-to. I warm it up for about 30 seconds or so, but it all depends on how much you have inside of the canister. So make sure to do a little patch test before you're applying so you're not burning yourself. If the wax is too liquidy where it's dripping, then it's too hot. And if it's thick and it's not really moving much, then it's too cold. Normally I only wax my arms because I get laser hair removal on the rest of my body, but I've been put back on Accutane. That's another story. So laser hair removal is not really an option for me right now. So I'm gonna actually wax my legs, my underarms, the whole deal. It comes with a lot of strips and they're reusable, so you never really run out. And a little wooden popsicle stick to apply it. You wanna apply in the direction that your hair grows. So I'm going downwards. I like the loose wax rather than the strips because you can really just apply way more in an area at once and it's just faster. Not too thick of a layer, but also not too thin. Make sure you're coating every hair. We're gonna apply the strip and you wanna just really make sure that it's adhered to the wax. I do a good rub-a-dub-dub. And then you want to pull the strip against the hair. 1, 2, 3. Oh God. The first one's always the worst, but I've been doing this a long time that it doesn't hurt that much anymore. You can see the hair a lot more in person. My hair is really fine, but it's definitely pulled a lot of hair out. That's all there is to it. It's not that hard. If you've never waxed before, it hurts at first, but it kind of is life-changing. I will never not wax now, you know? Hairless is the way to go for me. Let's do the rest of our arms. Now do my thigh. Finishing up with our underarms. Going like this kind of helps to get rid of the excess wax. Look at all the wax strips in the tub, you guys. Disgusting. I'm gonna wash them and then leave them out to dry and they'll be ready to use again. Time for a little hair TLC. So I've been using the Glaze Super Glosses. I really love the transparent one. I've used it a bunch of times already. And a hair gloss basically just makes your hair look so like glassy, shiny, look way more healthy and smooth. And it actually does make your hair color look more vibrant too. Today, I wanna try the semi-permanent color. This one's in the shade Honey Blonde. There's 9 different shades total from light blonde to dark black. They just enhance your natural hair color. No matter if you have like virgin hair or color treated hair, it's meant for all hair types. The transparent one makes my hair feel so smooth and so soft, like it literally feels like it came from the salon. So I'm really excited to try the colored one today. Lasts up to 10 washes. It's not a dye, so it doesn't damage your hair. So we'll just go ahead and apply. You can put it on dry or damp hair, making sure to really saturate it. Now just doing the top layer of my hair. This has babassu oil in it also, and some other like hair loving ingredients, which is what makes your hair super smooth and shiny. I'm just running this brush through it because I feel like that really saturates like every single strand. Make sure it's evenly coated. Now let's clip it all back. We gotta wait 10 minutes. I'm gonna wash my face in the meantime because this makeup has been on way too long, and then we rinse it out. It's almost time to rinse out the gloss. Before we do that, I'm gonna do a full body exfoliation. I like to do that after I wax because one, I'm like super sticky with wax all over me, but it also helps to prevent ingrown hairs to really exfoliate well. I do this routine before spray tanning as well to make sure all the dead skin's off of me and we get the best spray tan application possible. I have my exfoliation mitt. The one side is just a cloth material, the other side is for exfoliation. So I'm gonna use the cloth material with my body wash. I use the Dr. Bronner's lavender soap. So I use my body wash all over with the mitt first. And then I like to go in with a body scrub. My favorite right now is the KP Bump Eraser, especially after shaving or waxing. This really helps to prevent ingrown hairs. It's like the best scrub ever. I'll use this on the exfoliating side of the mitt. Just go in swift little circular motions, and this will get rid of any dead skin and just scrub a dub all over. And I like to use a pumice stone on my feet to help get rid of the dry skin. It makes my feet baby soft. So especially in the winter, I like to do this. Now it's time to rinse out the Glaze Super Gloss, and my hair is feeling so soft already. And then I put on lotion right away after showering, even before fully wiping myself off, so then it just locks in the moisture with that water, and it just takes that moisturizing to the next level. So I fully styled my hair, and now you can see the before and after. And look how much shinier and healthy and smoother my hair looks. I love that honey blonde shade. I feel like it's so subtle, but makes such a big difference in reviving my color. I feel like I got rid of the overly brassy tones and really just brought like the blonde pieces back to life in my hair. And my hair just looks like so much healthier. It just gets rid of that dullness and makes it look so good. And Glaze did give me a discount code for you guys. You can use code Sylvia20 to get 20% off. So I'll link that in description for you guys. It's bedtime today. Tomorrow we have a busy day. See you tomorrow. All right. Time to go get my lips filled, or should I say refilled? I'm running late as per usual, so let's get going. We've arrived. Kathy has been doing my lip filler for years. She's amazing. I only get a half a syringe just for a little top up probably every 2 to 3 months. I don't like to overdo it anymore. I used to do like a full syringe and my lips would be bursting at the seams, okay? Not anymore. We're going for that natural look. Just a little extra plumpity plump. And I might do a little bit of Botox, okay? It's preventative. Don't come for me. I know Botox is like so controversial still. Everybody gets all worked up about it. But who's gonna be laughing when I have no wrinkles when I'm older? I will. Let's go. These things are loaded up. I feel so swollen today. I used to be swollen for like a week afterwards, but because I'm used to it now. Okay, this ain't nothing new to me. The swelling only lasts for like a day or two now, so they should be looking perfect by tomorrow, the next day.
Hello, you have reached iTunes.
Okay, I'm just gonna book it online. All right, we're booked. Tomorrow, 11:50. We're gonna spray tan. Oh, this angle is not flattering at all. Hello, welcome to my double chin vlog. Anyways, we're on our way to my spray tan appointment. Woohoo, we're about to look glowy. We can pretend that we're in the tropics and got a tan. We are here, let's put on our hairnet. So cute. I do go in naked. Oh, it's talking to me.
Wave your hand in front of the green flashing sensor to begin your tan.
All right, bestie. Thanks for letting me know. I do go in naked for no tan lines, so you're not gonna get to see much. Basically, I go in there, do a bunch of weird poses, and then I come out tan. Simple enough. Gotta put on some lotion on like my elbows, knuckles, hands. It's a barrier cream to help prevent those areas getting like too tan and orange, you know? Now I'm gonna take off my nails. I have gel extensions on. I do them at home. If you follow my Instagram, you see that I post a lot of my nail stuff on there. I've gotten very into doing my own nails. My little utility cart that I ended up buying to store everything, because for a long time I just had it all in a laundry basket on top of this vanity, which was hideous. This is okay for now. If I keep buying more, like I need to figure something out because it's getting out of hand. I actually have found a new passion, you guys. Like I love doing my own nails. Look at all this stuff. Today, I'm just gonna take off my gel extensions and my pedicure. And then I think I'll wait till tomorrow or the day after to do another set on top. I usually like to wait a day or so to give my natural nails a little time to breathe. And it just takes a long time to take off and then also apply. So to do it all in one day usually like means it's like a few hour commitment, which to be honest, I don't have the attention span for, so. I'm whitening my teeth while doing my nails. I'll keep it in for like an hour. I like to white my teeth probably every couple weeks or so. I drink a lot of coffee, okay? They need to be maintained. Time to get rid of this musty, crusty, very grown out pedicure. And it is a gel polish, which is why it lasted so long, but it also means that there's a little more to it to removal than a regular polish. So I'm using my nail drill with a coarse nail drill bit that's meant to take off gel polish and acrylic and buffing off the top layer of the gel for each of the nails, being really careful not to hit your natural nail plate. They should look like this. Now we're ready to use some acetone and just soak up a cotton pad, and we're gonna place that on each nail. And I have these cool little contraptions that are definitely meant for your fingers, but I use them on my toes to hold it in place, and we keep that on for 15 minutes to let it break down the gel polish. Now they're ready to take off and start removing. I'm using my cuticle pusher tool to scrape off the gel, and this should be a really gentle process. Like, it should just scrape off really easily. If you're struggling, then leave it to soak a little longer, which is what I did with my big toe, but the rest of the gel came off really easily. And ta-da, they're back to their natural form, and we're ready to do some nail prep before going in with the polish. I do like to do a little cuticle work, so I'm using this cuticle nail drill bit thingy that I got from Amazon, and I'm just using that to push back my cuticles and get rid of any dead skin around the nail plate. And now to shape them, I'm just using a nail file, and I like to keep mine really square. I'm also shortening them with this instead of clipping them, so I can keep that nice straight edge. And I'm gonna do gel polish again. So first going in with a gel base coat and applying that to all my nails and curing for about 30 seconds with my UV light. And then going in with this black gel polish. And everything I'm using for my nails, by the way, I've actually listed on my Amazon storefront, because basically everything I've gotten for my nails I've just got off Amazon. So that will be linked in the description. But curing and then going in with another gel polish. This is a reflective black glitter from that same brand, and just replicating the design that I already had on because I just loved how that set turned out so much. So using some French tip stencil stickers and then applying white gel polish to create a little French tip. I take the stencil off before curing so I can clean up any polish that may have leaked underneath. So even though stencils aren't perfect, it really helps to give you like a guide, because I cannot do French tips without them. So I'm cleaning up and then curing, and our final step is to use a gel top coat. This one is amazing, so I'm just applying that all over my nails. This is a shiny top coat, and I'll just cure for about 60 seconds. And finishing up with my favorite thing, cuticle oil. It makes your toes so soft and keeps those nails healthy. And the nail removal process is basically the exact same as what we did for the pedicure. These are actually gel cover tips, so they come off the same as gel polish. But first, I'm cutting them down using my acrylic nail cutter. And now just buffing the top layer of the gel the exact same way we did with our pedicure. And now they're ready to soak in acetone the same way we did with our pedicure. You could also wrap your fingers in tinfoil. You don't need these little clips, but they are helpful. And now we can gently scrape off using the cuticle tool, and voila, before you know it, you have your natural nails again. I filmed the manicure off cam for IG, so follow my IG if you want to see how I got this nail design. But I also want to do an in-depth video of how I do my manicures at home, so let me know if you want to see that. Nails are done. Hair done, everything did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing these kind of things that I do. Obviously, everyone's level of like what they do for beauty maintenance is different. Comment down below some beauty maintenance things that you guys do regularly. And another thank you to Glaze for sponsoring us. Don't forget, the link is in the description if you want to check out the hair glaze that made our hair so luscious. That's all for now. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.